on my channel Beauty and the Peace. Hope everyone is doing great and you are safe at your home. I have started a new series called #WW, which means winter and wedding series. In this series I will dump each and every possible videos which is related to winter and wedding. I know guys, you are wondering what I'm wearing today. So basically this is a night suit. Now the question is why I'm wearing night suit while I'm shooting, because today's video is about my nightwear collection. So let's get started. In today's video I'm gonna show you my 7 nightwear collection which is under 1000 rupees. So yeah, relax guys, it's not costly at all, and all of these products are mainly from Amazon and 2 of them are from Meesho. So I will leave all the purchase link in the description box. If you are interested, then go and check it out. And I forgot all the prices, so I mentioned all the prices and the brand of this product on the screen. So start it. So the first night suit is this one. This is basically a satin silk tiger print night suit. You can see the beautiful black collar, and the border of the sleeve makes it so sexy, and it's a look very elegant and royal. And the pant of this is totally slim fit, and you can see the black border at the end of the pant, and I really love this. But one thing I can say, in summer you won't feel comfortable, because I think this one is perfect for winter only. So if you want, you can buy in winter, but in summer I don't think it will work that much. So yeah, next one is this one. This one is again a silk one, and this is magenta in color, and I got it from Amazon. You can see there is a net frilling, net border at the end of the sleeves, and it's a full sleeve. And the pant of the suit is really nice, because it has a straight cut look, and you will get the net border at the end of the pant, and it has elastic waist. So I really like it, because this one hugs your skin so much. This, though it is silk, but you can wear it in summer as well as in winter. So I really love this product, and you can see how much soft the material is. This is the third night suit. This is in bright yellow color, and you can see panda print all over it. This is a full sleeve. Buttons are also very cute, and it's like big buttons. The pant of the night suit is not straight fit. It is kind of सलवार का जो आता है वैसा ही टाइप का इसका फिटिंग आता है. And I really like this one. This is very flowy and very comfortable. So and it is cotton, not purely cotton. I don't know what is the material is, but this is very soft and very comfortable for your skin. So you can go for this one, and you will love this product. And I got it from Meesho. The next product is also in yellow color, but this is very subtle and lime yellow color, and you can see again panda print all over this one, but it has cherry, watermelon and strawberry print also. So I really like this one. And this has a cute pant which has elastic waist again, and this is a slim fit straight pant. I really like the product, and this product is totally cotton product. I got this from Amazon. But one more thing I want to say, if you don't like light color for your home, then don't go for it, because it tends to dirty very quickly. So if you are okay with it, then it's okay. This one, this is the lovely, and I think it's very romantic kind of, because the pink heart on the navy blue, it complements each other. I really like the product. Again, this one is from Amazon, and this has a nice cute pant which has elastic waist, but I don't know why the pant is so long. All of my night suits are in size medium, but I don't know why this pant is so long, but it's okay. because it's really nice, and I have a cute memory with this nightsuit because I have carried this one into my mini honeymoon. And if you didn't watch that vlog, then please go and give it a watch on my vlog channel, where I have shared my mini honeymoon vlog, and my vlog channel is known as Much More and Shreyasri. So thank you guys. Next night suit is this one. I know you are laughing at me guys, because after seeing this banana print, when the product has arrived, my husband was मतलब ये क्यों ऑर्डर किया तुमने? I was like actually really feel very good and cute. This banana print is really cute, and the color is also nice. I didn't have any gray night suit, so I really want to have this one, and that's why I bought it from Amazon. And this one is totally cotton material. Now the pant of the suit is really nice. It fits on me so well, and it has elastic waist, but the advantage is it has strings. If you feel loose, then you can just adjust with the strings, which is really a plus point, and I really like this product. Last but not the least is this one. This is my favorite one. This is in pink color. Why the camera is not showing its true color? Because it's really nice pink. It's baby pink, but it's not light as the camera is showing, but it is really cute pajama suit, and you can see the cherry print all over this one. And also this one is made of cotton, and I got this one from Amazon. Now the pant, again the pant is really nice, and you will get pockets in all the cotton pants, but in silk pants you won't get any pocket. It has also elastic waist, and the plus thing is you will get a string to adjust your waist. So yeah, I really like this one. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share my channel link with your friends and relatives guys, and please mention which one is your favorite night suit in the comment section. I will love to read your comments. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because subscription is free. You have to just press subscribe button once, and that's all. Love you guys. Bye bye.